what's on my mind. Something about us doesn't seem right these days. Life keeps getting in the way. Whenever we try, somehow the plan is always rearranged. It's so hard to say, but I gotta do what's best for me. You'll be okay. I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here. I hope you understand. We might find a place in this world someday, but at least for now, I gotta go my own way. Don't wanna leave it all behind, but I get my hopes up and I watch them fall every time another color turns to gray. And it's just too hard to watch it all slowly fade away. I'm leaving today, 'cause I got